Hey guys, today I am here with a very quick and I think interesting haul video. One is from blank slate stickers from America, and the other one is from Oh Good Idea from Britain. And this was a let's begin with Oh Good Idea because this is very cute. And her sticker shop was participating in the European Planner sale, which was also tagged as a fall sale. So I guess they will be doing also a spring sale, which I am absolutely waiting for because there were a lot of new shops to me inside of Europe, and I'm sure if you are inside of Europe, you might have a very hard time to find good sticker shops or any sticker shops of that kind. So I've got this small but very cute die cut, and there is a message for me on that. And also I have a kind of thank you card and a sampler card from her. And she wrote to me that I ordered, so this is a regular size sheet. Yes, I ordered only 2. Didn't I order 3 of it? I don't know. Anyway, so this is a regular size sheet, as you can see. And these are huge. This is my thumb, my pointing finger. These are huge stickers, but I like them. And I have ordered these 2 sheets for YouTube and taking spread pictures because I am very I always forget to take spread pictures. I just look at them, I like my spreads, and I'm fine with it. And around Tuesday, I just wake up and oh gosh, I forgot it. So anyway, hydrating stickers because and they are very cute. I love them. Because winter's coming. Yeah, no pun intended. But winter's coming, and I don't drink as much as in summer. So I need to check it every day, and I have 2 sheets of those. And here they are. These are the sheets because I'm doing this month in October the 30-day app challenge. So I need to make sure that I do my exercises regularly. And I need to make sure that I also get to my yoga practice. So this is for that. I don't think I will use these ones because I don't weigh myself. I feel always horrible when I weigh myself because I just like to eat. And I don't really do sports for becoming thinner, more for a to have strength, so to speak. So yes, that was also a good idea. She has her shop on Etsy. Oh, good idea. I'm sorry. She has her shop on Etsy. Here it's the URL. I will have it also in the description box below. And the other one is blank slate stickers. And it's very intriguing because she has various size of kits Usually they are Erin Condren vertical size kits, but, and there are many options. You can buy the whole kit, you can buy a la carte items, and you can buy personal size kits too, which I also purchased 2 of this. And she has the so-called Fabulous Fridays, where you can buy a full kit, a full Erin Condren vertical size kit for €4. It's mind-blowing. €4 or $4.50. Anyway, let's get to it, because I purchased 2 of those. Here they are. So this is, and I'm sorry, I am so horrible. I didn't I haven't looked up which kit is this, because I was thinking she has the name of the kit on the paper, but no, she doesn't have. But usually these are autumn or fall kits. So here is the first page, and it has the small bits, some washi chunks, hard box checklists, and habit trackers, and the weekend banner, and some teardrops. These are the full box, and let me tell you, the photos on Etsy don't do it any justice. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. So it's just wow. And what I like the most, that you have you have 9 you have 9 boxes, and you have a variety to decide which one will be your theme sticker. And if you don't like to ruin your full boxes, you can use just these to write on them. I like them. I like it very much, and they are really, really pretty. So it also comes with full box heart checklists, I guess, ombre, and they are lovely color. Here is the day covers, the date dots, and the washi tape. And let me see. Oh yes, it peels perfectly. It peels perfectly. I love it. These are half boxes, quarter boxes, heart, small checklists, and the headers. Like the to-do today, the little things, some for meal planning, for exercise, for your pet if you have. I have one dog, and work, and these are the sidebar things, they call it, I think. So yes, this is, let me count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets in total, and you get 6 sheets for $4.50. I guess you should check it for yourself, but I think it's €4.50 in euros, and the quality is super B. I love it. And this is the other one. This is a pumpkin themed. Oh, and also her postal, so her shipping costs are ridiculously low, considering it comes from the USA to Europe, and it took not more than 2 weeks. You don't get tracking for your stickers. You can upgrade for your stickers, but still, without the tracking, it was 2 weeks. It was prompt. I loved it. So here are, this is a pumpkin kind of fall kit. So your weekend banners and your small icons, your full boxes, and as you can see, they are absolutely useful. I just love it, really, very. I really love it. And the ombre checklists, the day covers, the date dots, the Monday through Sunday, your washi tape. It's like an old carpet, but I kind of like the feel to it. Yes, half boxes and quarter boxes, I love them. I use them a lot. And your headers. And I can't decide if it's green or more of a bluish turquoise. I don't know, but I think I will use this kit with my October Coco Daisy subscription as a extra, so to speak. So these were the full kits, and I also have ordered 2 personal size kits because I usually no, not just usually, I don't really need a full kit for myself. I can easily go with a personal size kit, which is this 2 sheets of stickers. You have 2 full boxes, you have 2 half box checklists, some quarter boxes, 4 of them, 4 half boxes, and I like that they are not all the way scalloped. They are just down, so not on the sides. I'm sorry, I can't speak. And you have to do today and 2 hearts, and this is your washi. Nice. This is your washi, and the Monday through Sunday, the small things, icons, 2 more half boxes, checklists, flags, small flags, they are cute. And your habit tracker, lazy day, date night, so some script stickers, and the weekend banner, which is pretty big. I guess this is the same size as on the full kit. So it's lovely. I love these colors, and the fox is adorable. So this is one of them, and the other one is this. I like it. It's hard to decide if it's a but no, I think it's a winter kit, personal size kit. I am very happy with my orders, and I am very happy that they came so fast, like really fast. And I am sure that I will be purchasing from these shops again. And I also say you check them out because they have good stuff. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't said the prices for these are the same as the kits. They are also, the personal size kits are 450 in euros at the full price. And I think it's good. It's very good for these stickers. So yes, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching. I hope you liked this little video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing. See you next time. Bye.